Superintendent of Police ke East Khasi Hills Vivek Siem, Ulaong ba ke Jingai Jamin ya ke Sonam Raghuvanshi, ke Dei Namar ke Jingbakla Nongthoh ha ke section jong ke kies, Hinrei ke ni kan kta ya ke Jingbishal. Ula batai balapin tip paidbah ya ke Nongsha ke no halor ke Nongrim, jong ke Jingsha kem balapin iru hakmat Magister ha Ghazipur banyo transit remand. Usiem ulaong ba ki pulen kila ujor persya ya ke hukum ai jamin, Hinrei ki doni ki sakhi ki babyang persya ke Nongsha ke no ulaong ru ba ke Jingai Jamin kamut bakan pensniu ya ke Jingmi jong ke Jingbishar. Halor kamu kot duma, ulaong ba ke Jingbishar kan peteng biang ha ke Sngi balang, bat ula kedau ba ke Jingsdang stat jong ke Jingbishar ke peni ba ki terpeng jong ke hong kidang ya chakman.
The person was given bail on the grounds that due to clerical error, a section, the number of the section was changed from 103 to 403. There is no 403 in the BNS, and the grounds of arrest. It is not that the grounds of arrest were not made to understand. When the transit remand was made, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand to the accused. During production, also the grounds of arrest were given to understand, and the accused had understood that that she was arrested for murder. But court has taken a different stand and given order that grounds of arrest were not made to be understood by the accused. We have appealed for that. It does not mean that there will be any difference in the trial, and the charge sheet is there. We have enough evidence against the accused. Bail does not mean that it'll in any way dilute the outcome of the trial. She was produced in Ghazipur and before a magistrate out there, and we got transit remand from there based on the section of murder. And when she was produced again out here before the production magistrate, also she was given to understand that that the offence committed is for murder. So we don't see any reason why she could not have understood that she was being produced here for murder. That's the discretion of the court out there, and I'm quite sure that she may have been given legal aid out there. Any accused who actually does not have any counsel will be provided legal aid. There'll be hearing tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. So let us see what the outcome is. I cannot comment on it because that is the prerogative of the court, how trial proceeds and progresses. But the fact that it has started, the trial has started, is just shows that trial has there's the wheels of justice has moved. Usually cases trial starts after a few years. This has started very fast.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.